Does the current extended quarantine got you down? Need to get your car or truck repaired, but not sure about where to go? Worried if it is safe to leave your home? Have a high-risk family member that needs car or transmission repair? We can help. At South Texas Transmission we have you covered. We have pickup and delivery service. We will pick up your vehicle for you, where we can drive or tow it to our shop. We then perform the repairs or upgrades needed on your vehicle. Then we will clean and disinfect your vehicle before we return it to you. We can also finance all repairs up to $5,000, with 6 months, the same as cash. That means you get 6 months interest-free financing, to take care of your vehicle repair needs. We specialize in transmission repair on cars and trucks. Diesel performance upgrades and repair. Engine repair, brakes and all major repairs. Give our friendly staff a call today and schedule your vehicle for repairs while waiting out the quarantine. We serve all North Houston suburbs such as Spring, Texas, The Woodlands, Klein, Conroe and Magnolia, Texas. Call us today at 936-273-3977. Visit our website www.southtexastransmission.com for more information.